Hello everybody, welcome to Philosophy 250. My name is Steve Pelton. I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. I hope you're excited about the class. This is my favorite class to teach in Bryant Stratton. I've done this online for quite some time, but I've also taught this on campus for a number of years, and I really enjoy this class. So I hope you get a lot out of this. I think this is a class a lot of students are concerned about early on because they think philosophy, I don't know anything about that. I'm really kind of concerned. I know there's some guy named Socrates and some guy named Nietzsche, and I don't really know anything else. The point of this class really is to show you how relevant certain aspects of philosophy can be to your field. So everything we do in this class, everything, is geared towards your chosen field. So a lot of the class discussions, a lot of the reflections you're going to be writing are going to give you an opportunity to take what we're talking about in a given week and apply it to your field. And trust me, by the end of this 7.5 weeks, you're going to see the real world relevance of a lot of what we talk about this semester. So I hope you get excited about it. I think you will. A lot of students are surprised by the end. They say, oh gosh, I really learned a lot. I think this is really kind of cool. So hopefully that's going to be your experience as well. I don't have much to say right now. I just kind of want to introduce myself, introduce the class. I try to upload at least one video a week at the beginning of the week, just to kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be talking about, maybe highlight a couple of assignments that are coming up or assignments that are going to be due. But also, if there is something that might be kind of complex or difficult that I think is going to be in that week, I might try to explain it a little bit during my my video. Plus, I think it's nice in an online class to actually see your instructor. So I think these videos are important. Basically, this is the first week. We're just getting to know each other. So get into the discussion quickly and introduce yourself. Tell us where you're from. Tell us what your area of study is, what you hope to be doing when you graduate, maybe something about what you hope to learn in this class, and really get started as soon as you can. Things do go by very quickly in 7.5 weeks. So just be very mindful of that. Try to budget your time well. Stay organized. If you have questions about that, let me know. I check my email multiple times a day. I have office hours every Tuesday from 4 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Blackboard Collaboration. And if you have questions about how to use that, you can let me know as well. I'll also be using Skype if you're more comfortable with Skype. So if you have any questions whatsoever, big or small, please ask. There's also the Ask Your Instructor tab in Blackboard. You can use that as well. I will be checking that daily. So any questions you may have, please reach out to me. Email as well. I will try to get back to you within 10 or 12 hours as best I can. So really, what are we going to be talking about this class? Well, in a nutshell, we're going to be talking a lot about communication, language, how those kinds of things have been shaped and changed and how they really influence us. We'll be talking about emotional intelligence right away, right out of the gates. And so we'll have a little discussion about what that really means. A large bulk of the class is going to be on the subject of ethics, which is the branch of philosophy that deals with right and wrong. And we'll also do a section on logic, which is learning how to establish correct argumentation. And so there's a lot of ground to cover, but I don't think it's done in a way that's overly complex. Again, the point is to try to make this really relevant for all of you. So again, I hope you get a lot out of this. Get started as soon as you can. Reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever, and I look forward to seeing you all this semester. Thanks, folks.